Does this thing work? Yo, shit, my camera got a camera. Hey, what's going on, everybody? We are doing a recap video 620 days after we refinish this tub. We're just gonna check in and see how things are holding up. We're also gonna go over some things that I wish I would have done or maybe didn't do. But this is just kind of a general recap to see if the product held up, if there was any major flaws. And with that, we'll jump right into it. Yeah, so after 620 days and plenty of baths, getting rid of 2 bodies and 6 batches of beer. Nah, I'm just playing. Just plenty of baths, plenty of kid traffic in here. But we've managed to keep a bunch of the sharp objects out. But you can tell no major gashes or cracks or anything like that. You can see in the bottom, I'm pretty sure I stepped inside there with my shoes on and there was some dirt. So that one's on me. Those aren't coming out. So that's mistake number 1. And while we're on that subject, a couple of things I wish I would have done. I wish I would have done better. And what I mean by that is there's plenty of drips. You can kind of see on that back wall. Another thing you can kind of see is this tape line where I split the job up between a top and a bottom. I wish I would have done it all in one go. I mean, it's a lot of surface area to do, so maybe there is a way to do it that way, but that tape line is, the trim line rather, is a tough one to look at. But I'm not gonna lie, I think I just got impatient towards the end, so a lot of drips and stuff that probably shouldn't have been there. Overall though, it's done well. So I would definitely recommend it, especially if you're a good painter and you're very patient. Those 2 things I am not. So the fact that I was able to do it and it was able to hold up, that should tell you something. But the 2 recommendations I would give is A, try to do it all in one go. B, don't step on wet paint.